When I started earning, I thought money problems would disappear once my salary increased. What I learned is financial success has less to do with income and more to do with habits. Today I'm sharing 10 financial mistakes that every young financial professional does and how to fix them. If you're in your 20s or 30s, this video can save you years of financial stress. Let's start with number 1. Not knowing where my money was going. For the longest time, I would reach the end of the month and wonder, where did my money go? The problem wasn't that I earned too little. The problem was visibility. Food deliveries, subscriptions, impulse purchases, outing. Individually, they looked harmless, but together, they were eating huge chunk of my income. Here's how to fix it. Track every expense for 1 month. Not forever, just 1 month. Use an app, Excel sheet or Notes app. You can't improve what you cannot measure. Most people discover their biggest money leaks within 30 days. Mistake number 2, saving whatever is left. I used to save at the end of the month. The issue, there was rarely anything left. Here's how to fix it. Pay yourself first the day your salary arrives. Even 1,000 is better than waiting for leftovers. Automate if possible. What gets automated is done. Mistake number 3, having no emergency fund. Most people think emergencies are rare. Life disagrees. Medical expenses, family emergencies, job disappears. Without emergency savings, every surprise becomes a crisis. Here's how to fix it. Build an emergency fund covering at least 3 to 6 months of your expenses. Start small, don't aim for 1 lakh immediately. Aim for your first 25,000, then 30,000. That builds momentum. Mistake number 3, keeping all my money in a savings account. It felt safe, but safety has a hidden cost. If inflation grows faster than your money, you're losing purchase power every year. This is how to fix it. Keep your emergency funds accessible, but your money for your long term should have an opportunity to grow. Learn the basics of investing. You do not need to be an expert overnight. Just start to understand your options. Mistake number 5, ignoring your credit score. I thought credit score only mattered when taking loan. Credit scores can influence interest rates and access to financial products. Here's how to fix it. Pay your credit card bills on time. Avoid maxing out credit card limits. Monitor your credit report periodically. Good credit is built slowly and lost quickly. Mistake number 6 is lifestyle inflation. The moment income increased, your expenses increased too. New phone, more shopping, dining out. My lifestyle upgraded faster than my savings. This is how to fix it. Every time you receive a raise, increase your savings first. If your salary increased by 10,000, try directing a portion towards investment. Future you will thank you. Mistake number 7, not negotiating your salary. I used to accept whatever was offered because I was afraid of asking. Here's how you fix it. Research market salaries and document your achievements. Practice salary conversations. One successful negotiation can increase your lifetime earnings significantly. The worst they can say is no. Mistake number 8 is not diversifying. At a point, I believed that one investment will solve everything. That is not investing, that is concentration. This is how you fix it. Avoid depending on one stock, one source of income, or one investment. Diversification helps reduce the impact of one single bad outcome. The goal is not perfection, the goal is resilience. Mistake number 9, buying things to impress people. This is one of the most expensive mistakes. Many purchases are made for validation, but attention fades quickly and EMIs don't. This is how you fix it. Before buying something expensive, ask, would I still want it if nobody else knew that I had it? This one question alone can prevent countless expenses. Mistake number 10, waiting to learn about money. I thought I'll learn later, after a promotion, after I got a raise, but financial education becomes more important. This is how you fix it. Spend 15 minutes daily learning. Read articles, watch videos, listen to podcasts. 1 year from now, you'll know more than most people around you. Small learning compounds just like your money. Financial success is not built through one perfect decision. It is built through hundreds of small decisions. Start with one change today. If you found this useful, tell me which mistake you have made and which one are you fixing first. Share this with your friend who needs it today, and I'll see you in the next one.